Let others also join. We are going to start reasoning today, a new topic in reasoning also, coding and decoding, because fourth B has already done fraction introduction. They are going to start the notebooks. Fourth A has not done anything in fractions, so we are starting with this reasoning. We are going to do reasoning in this period. A new topic, that is coding and decoding. What is it? I'll tell you. Let others also join. There are very few students. According, any doubt again in maths question paper today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, coding and decoding we are going to start. So I know you people are going to talk to each other in code language. You know that there is one code language. Suppose,
Yes.
what is coding and decoding? I'm going to tell you this now. See, listen to me. Suppose what is happening, you want to share something with your friend. You want to write a message to your friend. Okay, and you want, secretly you want to write a message to your friend. Okay, and you want, no one else should know about it. Nobody else should know about it, what you are writing in your message. So you and your friend decided to make a code. Okay, you and your friend decided to make a code that this alphabet will be this alphabet will be this. When I will write this and this, you will understand this. How is it? I will tell you. For example, if he says A is the first letter, then I will write 1. If I have to write anything B, any word, any letter as B, I will write 2. So if I write any letter C, I will write 3. Okay, suppose I am trying to take one small name who is having a small name, Om and Noel. There are two names which are very small. O M Om. Suppose you are sending a message to your friend and you have to write Om's name there. And you don't want, nobody should know about you this name, Om, that I have written Om here. So you and your friend knows the code. If O will come, we will see which on which number O is coming and which number M is coming. So when you checked it, O comes at the pay place L, M, 13, 14, 15. O comes in the pay place of 15. Okay. And M comes in the place of 13. So you have written 1530. On a paper, you have written on the, or even you can write it on the board. Nobody will be able to understand. You have written 1530. Okay. Now you know the code, your friend knows the code. Nobody knows the code. You know the code and your friend knows the code. Wait a second. There is some lightning problem. Now it is okay. So you and your friend knows the code. It's 1513. 15 means you calculated. 15 means O and 13 means M. That means what is written on there? What is written there? Whose name is written there? Om's name is written there. Understood, everyone? This is coding and decoding. This is very easy coding. So if somebody knows, somebody crack the code. This is secrets hote na, like these CIDs type use. है ना? You know that secret codes they use. When they use the secret codes, जैसे वो secret code लेते हैं. They have secret codes. तो आप secret codes एक दूसरे से share कर सकते हो. Okay? But somebody can crack the code also. That is coming in reasoning. This is very interesting. To crack the codes. How to crack the code. What is written over there. This is only just an example. There are various type of you can do the codes. You can use the codes. For example, I can tell you one more thing. Suppose Noel's name is there. Noel's name is there. I'm taking small names. Noel name is there. Okay. Now, yes, Radyans, it is the main part of logical reasoning. Suppose Noel is written here. So I changed it. I write N at the first letter. First one to be last one. First and last to be exchanged. And listen, बीच वाले ऐसे exchange कर दिया. Leon लिख दिया. Okay, Noel. Leon लिख दिया. Okay. So it becomes Leon. So people understood, you know. Now I have written here. This is my code. My friend knows my code. What I will do. My friend knows my code. So somebody else in the between crack the code. Somebody else in between, they have a good logical reasoning. They have a good mental ability. They have good reasoning. and they do what they do it, they crack the code. उन्होंने crack को कर लिया code. How did they crack it? They say first वाला मैंने last में लगाया name, last वाला number we keep it here, and OEL, then I got the name Noel. Okay, there can be various types of codes, coding and decoding. There can be of various types. We'll study it one by one. Okay, numbering coding also we will learn, and alphabetically coding also we will do. Okay, code means it is a code, and decoding. What is decoding? This is number in name is given, and I'm just cracking this code. This is known as decoding. I'm just cracking this code. This is known as decoding. Okay, now let me give you some more examples. First, I will give you easy ones. We'll start with this one, ABC one. Okay, this is so I'm going to explain you the first type of coding and decoding, that is numbering one, name alphabet numbers one. Like A stands for 1. There are 26 alphabets in ABCD. Oh, sorry, in English, there are how many alphabets in English? How many alphabets are in English?
27.
26 alphabets are there. So B is for 2, C for 3, D for 4, E for 5, F for 6, G for 7, H for 8, I for 9, and J for 10. Okay, K for 11, L for 12, M for 13, N for 14, O 15, P 16. You can note it down somewhere. Note it down somewhere. It will be easy for you. Write these alphabets.
Ma'am, can we take? Ma'am, I've done this earlier.
Yes, you can take the screenshot if you want. P, Q 17, R. I will tell you how to make how to learn it also. Okay. 18, S 19, T20. T20 matches are there? T20 matches are there? So learn T20.
Yes, ma'am.
T20.
Ma'am, T20 World Cup.
T20. V.
Ma'am, T20 World Cup women.
W. U. V. W. W23. X24. Y25. And Z26.
Ma'am, WW Sunday Kamal.
No, beta. These are not tests. Maybe I've given you a question type of this.
I'm in all your tests.
Judge. Maybe I have given you question related to this.
Because I have done this earlier.
Not like this. Not exactly like this. You have done it. A little bit of questions I have given you, because this is the logical reasoning. No? Okay, write it down, note it down somewhere, everyone. So after that, write your name as a code. Write NAME. What is the code for name? What is the code for name? What is the code for name? Not your name. What is the code for NAME name? That is the code for name. What is the code for name? If A, B, C, D we are following.
Ma'am, 5, 13.
No.
1.
Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. If name is written as, right? Okay, I'm giving you a proper question. Wait a minute. Just see. If name is coded as, 14, 1, 13, 5.
120 minus 105.
What is SCHOOL? If name is coded as 14, 1, 13, 5, what is SCHOOL?
12, 15, 15, 19.
Type the code. Type the code, everyone. I want to see the code in the typing message. Type the message. Very good, Apurva. You were right. Okay, time is going to be up. Let me take your attendance for a minute. Okay, see if Okay, let me check the answers. Okay, very good, Anjali, Noel, Om, good. Very good. Apurva, good. Very good. Apurva answered first.
Ma'am, I have also answered.
Yes, Pratyusha, correct. Very well done. Very good. Because I told you, first of all, I'm going to give you an
Ma'am,
easy
please check
question.
my.
Beta, I'm checking all. Pratishtha, Pratyusha, Om Pratyush, Noel, Anjali, Apurva, correct. Everyone's correct. Very good. So, because as you see, n is written as 14. If you see the number of n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, n is coming on 14th number. A is coming on the first number, so 1. M is coming on 13. M is the 13th alphabet. E is the 5th alphabet. That means it is according to the alphabets. You recognize? Yes. You crack the code here. You decode it. You decoded it. Now you are going to tell the answer. S for, if you count there, I told you T20, PQRS, T. T20 से पहले आ रहा है. तो S कितना होगा ये? 19. A, B, C.
19.
A, B, C. C is the third letter. So 3.
Ma'am, 3.
F 6, G 7, H 8. O is 15th letter, O is 15th letter. Then L will be 12. So this is the code for school.
19.
This is the code for school. Okay. Now another type of question I'm going to give you. This is simple. This was simple. I told you I'm going to increase your level little bit. Gradually I will increase your level. Okay. Now, wait. This code will be used entire. Okay, let me tell you. This is the letter here, and this is the code here. The letter is A. Wait. Just wait a second. Wait for us. Now, beta, numbers will not be there. It will be a different type. See, if rat. Wait a second. Just let me plug in the charger. If rat is coded as star. Whose dog is barking? 5.
Ma'am, mine.
Pratishtha होगी है ना? Pratyusha. Either Pratishtha's dog bark or Pratyusha's dog bark. I know that.
Ma'am, my dog.
Pratyusha. How many you have, Pratyusha? How many dogs you have?
Ma'am, I'm having 4 dogs.
He's having 4 dogs, my God. This is X. This is X. If rat is coded as star #5, cat is coded as X #5, then what is the code for car?
Ma'am, it is easy.
Typed in the chat box. Or you can do one thing. You just write it and show me on the camera itself. Big you write and show me on the camera with a pencil. Take beta, always na keep an A4 size sheet notebook sheet with you, so that you can show me on the camera and you bring it closer to the camera and you can show it to me what is written over there.
Ma'am, we have to write these questions in our reasoning notebook.
Obviously, yes, Saman.
Ma'am, I sent in chat box.
Okay, okay, Hridyansh. Very good, Hridyansh. Great.
Ma'am, I have done.
Hridyansh, पहले जो भेजा था that was wrong. जो पहले भेजा था वो wrong था. Second वाला correct है.
Ma'am, we have sent.
Yes, okay. Hridyansh, your is wrong. Sorry, I misread it. Apurva, Shaurya का ठीक है. Hridyansh का wrong है. Pratyush, correct. Pratyush, very good. Summer wrong है. Summer wrong. Summer, it is wrong.
Ma'am, they see in my.
Anjali correct. Anjali correct है.
Ma'am, please see mine.
Okay, Pratyusha, wait a second. Beta, sirf answer. I want only the answer. That's why I say na, Pratyusha, please put one. Yes, it is correct. Rub this question mark.
Okay, ma'am. Mine.
Write only answer. Show me only the answer. No need to show me the question along with it.
Mine.
Om correct. Om nahi beta, wrong hai. Om wrong hai. Ridyansh, now it is correct. Yes, Ridyansh, now it is correct. Now shall I tell you everyone? Noel, I didn't get your answer. Pratishthas, both the Pratishthas, I didn't get your answer. Athar Mahendru, I didn't get your answer. Devansh Chaudhary, मुझे answer नहीं मिला है. Shreyansh, I didn't get the answer. I didn't get the answer of these students. Don't think if you are present and sitting idle does not mean that I will not ask from you. Do it quickly. Divyanshu, I did not got your answer.
I don't know the answer.
And Divyanshu, you are becoming very least active these days.
Excuse me.
Okay, Pratishtha, I'm going to see. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, please see.
It's not visible, Pratishtha.
So, ma'am, that's why I write it again. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't have these signs.
Ma'am, there is no sign of multiply.
There is.
So,
here it is. Everything is there. Okay, now I'm going to tell you. Now I'm going to explain you. Those who are not able to understand, don't worry, beta. We are starting this, and you might be not knowing this. Okay, it's okay if you don't know. See here, rat. If you can see R-A-T, rat here, it is written as R for star. A ke under mein it's a hashtag, and under T is it 5. And if you can see cat, C-A-T, cat, C mein X, hashtag, and T mein 5. Like this it is there. Now see, you have to answer for card. C-A-R, card. For C, what you have? For C, what you have? Cross. So you will put a cross over here. For A, what you have? A, you have hashtag here, hashtag here. So hashtag will be here. Now, R star here, R is a star. So that means under R it is coming star. That means there will be star here. This is the option which most of you have answered it correctly. Okay. Shall I give you one more? How much time is left? 2 minutes are left. Yes, you can do one more. You can do one more during this time. I'm going to rub this. Car will be this answer. This is the answer. I'm going to give you another question now. So I'm not going to write is coded as. Is coded as what I'm not writing. So the question is if tool is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is L-O-O-T? This is very easy. Very easy.
Ma'am, before the rat one question, the school one question you have given to us, ma'am, that one also we have to write.
Obviously, yes.
Ma'am, send answer.
Everything.
Ma'am, the school one also.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have sent in the
Very
answer
good.
in
Yes,
the
I'm
chat
seeing.
box.
Yes, I'm seeing, beta. I'm looking at that one only. Good. Shreyansh, Ridyansh, correct. Very good. This is very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, mine. Please see mine.
I am seeing everyone's, beta. Type in the chat box. Type in the chat box. No need to write. Just type in the chat box. Or you can type. You just can type. Yes, Ridyansh.
Ma'am, it is so easy.
Yes, this is so easy. Noel, I didn't get your answer. Quickly type in the chat box.
I sent it the
Quick,
answer.
quick, Noel.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
Yes,
Ma'am, mine
correct.
is correct.
Summer, your answer is wrong because you are putting the commas. There are no commas there. There is only space, no comma. Pratishtha, correct.
Ma'am, there are commas.
Okay, beta, let me tell you the answer. Most of you are correct. All of you are correct. All of you are correct. See, if tool is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, then what will happen? L-O-O-T you have to write. L for 4. 4 will come here. 3 for 2 for O and 1 here. Okay? Because it is just, or beta, it may be also correct. If you can say this is also correct one. These both are correct. Both are correct. If you are writing 4, 2, 3, 1, that is also correct. And if you are writing 4, 3, 2, 1, then it is also correct. So meeting is going to be over. Bye everyone. The school is dispersed.